Jumping.
Okay, Lynn, please read, Lynn. Watch us, we're moving.
And look, girls having one square number 8. Chance roller skating, she's rolling round and round. And what's just skipping in our playground. Sounds is good as separating 1, 2, 3. And that's that. He's funny. He climbing our tree. Tom is very rough as done. He runs around. Most like walking and chatting with her best friend too. It's a great plan orange. We are love moving and having lots of fun.
Okay, so here, let's check now. Ready to check?
Yes.
Okay, here. Watch us, we're moving. Jack's good at jumping. He's really great. And look, oh, look at here. With me. And look, Sue's very good hopping on square number 8. Correct. Next, Jane, correct? Jane's roller skating. She's going round and round. And watch Sam. Oh, it's not Jacqueline, Lynn, but it's Sam. Sam skipping. Look here. Jack is jumping. Sam is skipping in our new playground. Sam. It's not Sam, but it's Dan's good at exercising. 1, 2, and 3. And there's Pat. He's funny. He's climbing our tree. Next, Tom's very good at running. He runs all day. But Jill, look at here, Min. Jill's walking and talking with her best friend, May. Oh, wait. Lynn, May and Jill could change answer, okay? So you are correct with Jill and May, okay? Jump, hop, skate, and skip, exercise, climb, or run. We all love moving and having lots of fun. Okay, so here. Very good, very good. Okay, careful with that, Lynn. You got few mistakes, okay? So here, Lynn, I want you to find the letters to spell the missing words, okay? Now here, look at here. Can you see the circle, Lynn? Can you see the circle
Yes.
letters? What are the words that we can see from that? What are the words that we can form in those letters? We have, can you read the words that you can see here and then underline? Example. Look at the example in. Find the moving verbs. We have walk. What else, Lynn? What are the other words? Walk.
Walk.
Next.
Hey.
Okay. Skate. What else?
Jump.
Jump. Correct. What else?
Dance.
Okay. Hop. What else?
Run.
Run. Correct.
Skip.
Skip. Correct. And
Dance.
okay, Lynn, can you see some letters which are not part of the words? Huh? Can you see the letters that wasn't underlined? Can you see the letters that has no underlined in
Yes.
the words? Okay, what are the letters, Lynn? What are the
L,
letters? L,
M,
M,
I,
I,
N,
N,
I,
I,
C,
C,
G,
G.
U,
Okay. U and oh here. Lynn, look at here. The other letters in the circle are I, M, L, N, C, I, T, G. Which moving word can you spell with these letters? Lynn, I want you to arrange these letters and form a word here on the line. Okay? Arrange the letters into form a verb.
Happiness.
Okay, Lynn, what is the given word? The given word
Study.
is climbing. Okay, let's check. Is it climbing? The answer is very good. It's climbing, Lynn. Great work. Okay, great work, Lynn. Now here, let's do this one, Lynn. So look and read and write. For example, the boy with a radio, can you see the boy with the radio is wearing a yellow t-shirt. Oh, which number is the girl's foot on now? It's 8. Now here. Okay, Lynn. I want you to complete the sentence 1 and 2 here, and then try to look at the picture to complete the given sentence. So you can write 1 word, 2 words, 3 words, 4 words, or 5 words, okay? Okay, go. Okay, please read the two sentences, Lynn.
A boy in the orange jacket is running as the corners. The picture you can see a band.
Okay, the boy in the orange jacket is running. Let's check. Very good. Number two, at the front of the picture, you can see a bus. Great. Perfect. Perfect. Here, Lynn. How about 4 and 5, Lynn? You answer 4 and 5 questions. Okay, okay, please read the questions and tell me your answer. One girl.
One girl is picking what color are her trousers? Red. What's the girl with the red balloon doing? Roller skating.
Okay, number 3. One girl is skipping. What color are her trousers? The answer is red. Correct. Number 4. What's the girl with the red balloon doing? The girl in the red balloon is roller skating. Very good. Great work, Lynn. In this activity, letter E, you got perfect. 4 scores. Great work. Good job, Lynn. So, Lynn, very good on your first day in movers because you did great. Was it easy or difficult in the movers? How was it?
Easy.
Easy. That's great to hear. Very good. You are doing greatly. Keep it up. Okay. So, Lynn, that would be all for today. Thank you for coming in today's class and goodbye, Lynn. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Okay. See you again.